Hey everyone, I'm Duda, the Music Business Sam, and I'm here to help you register for classes, especially if you're a first semester student and don't know where to begin. As a Berklee student, I do understand the struggles of registration and how scary and intimidating it can be, so I'm here to help. Follow along this quick tutorial to know a step-by-step of how to register for classes here at Berklee. Firstly, here are some important things to keep in mind. Time to register. Everyone receives a different time to register for classes. They are sent by email typically after midterm season, so make sure to pay attention to your emails because you'll be receiving your registration date and time. Pro tip, be online a few minutes before your registration time, so you'll make sure to get all of your desired classes as soon as the portal opens. They get filled up pretty quickly. Plan in advance. Plan your desired schedule and classes before your registration time. You can consult the academic calendar to see when the course catalog for the following semester will open. It usually opens sometime after midterms week. Plan as soon as possible. Pro tip, have Plan B classes in case your first option gets filled up quickly. Meet with your student success advisor. Meet with your student success advisor before registering to make sure you're taking all classes you should and you're on track with your major or desired major. 12 to 16 credits. As a full-time student, you should be taking between 12 to 16 credits, so make sure you have those credits. Don't panic. Pretty self-explanatory, but registration season is tough for everyone. Seeing your favorite class with that amazing professor have no spots left is a canon event, so always have other class options. Now that you know these things, let's learn how to plan courses. Welcome to My.Berklee. This is the platform where you'll be registering for your classes. To go to the registration page, go to these 3 bars on the top left, click here, then academics, student planning, plan and schedule, and this will automatically open in your current semester classes. So here you can see my classes that I'm taking right now. To search for courses, just go to the search bar on the top and type in your desired course. For example, I'll say I'm looking for the Taylor Swift class. Next, we'll be talking about what do these different things around the course description mean. The first thing you're going to see is the name here on top and how many credits does it have. Here is the description of the course and what you'll be learning throughout the semester. Always important to check this and read it. Required of. Required of means that certain students are required to take a certain class. For example, harmony, all students are required to take that class. For the Taylor Swift class, for example, it is required of none. Electable by. Electable by means who is able to take this course. Usually we'll say a specific major or all. Prerequisite. Prerequisite means all the classes you need to take before or while you're taking this course. It can also say that you need to be declared in a specific major to take that course. In this Taylor class, you see it says written approval by course instructor. That means that the professor needs to approve you in that class in order for you to take it. In that case, I recommend sending an email to that professor to make sure you can register. Locations. Since we have 2 campuses, it is important to see where the course is located. Make sure it is available at the campus you'll be enrolled in for next semester. Offered. There are courses that are only offered in specific semesters, so make sure it is available for the following semester you'll be registering. After checking all these important factors above, you'll click this red arrow to see the available sections. This will show the dates and times of the classes offered for this course. This is where you'll be able to select if you want 9 a.m. or 2 p.m. classes, for example. Here on the top, you're going to notice the semester that it is being offered, so make sure you're looking at the correct semester. This also shows all the professors teaching this course, the location, and the days of the week and class duration. Now comes the interesting part. You notice this small part on the side where it says seats. This shows you the capacity for this class and how many seats there are left available. Let's say you want this Taylor Swift class. This one here on the side says how many seats there are left available, and this one in the middle shows you the maximum capacity for this class. For this class, for example, they still have 10 seats available. Let's say you want this Taylor Swift class. You're gonna click this red button where it says add section to schedule. Once you click that button, you notice this class will show up in your schedule as a brown box. The brown boxes mean the classes are planned, not registered. Now you'll be able to start adding all your classes and actually planning your schedule and the times that will work for you. Important information for first semester students. Registering for PI can be very challenging, so make sure you know the acronym for your PI so you'll be able to find the class for you. For voice, for example, it's PIVC, so you can search up that acronym and find that class to register. To find a specific professor, you go to this bar in the left-hand side, slide down, and search for your desired instructor. There's a very large selection of instructors. Then you check their box, I don't know, this one for example, and you'll be able to see the dates and times for the classes they offer. Finding ensembles can also be tricky. Spend some time scrolling through our extensive ensemble list to find the ensemble that suits you best. Also, make sure to check the ratings so you're in the correct class. It usually says in prerequisites or in the course name. In case you're looking for an ensemble and you don't know which one to take and you want to know which classes are needing your instrument, you can simply go to the 3 lines on top: academics, ensemble players needed, the term, so let's say 2024 fall, select your instrument here. So I'm going to pick guitar, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I don't know, you select the dates you're available, and then they should show up right here. Another thing that can confuse first semester students is the continuing versus entering core music courses. If you're searching for Harmony 3, for example, you see there are classes that say entering beside the course name. Don't register for those. Those are only for students who are entering Berklee the following semester. Make sure you're registering for continuing. In case you want to quickly find all of your classes, you can simply go to the catalog advanced search. So you can click the 3 bars on top again, academics, course catalog, and then here is the advanced search. You can select by the term, courses and sections. You can see all of the different options, days of the week, location, academic level, time of the day, location, so all of our campuses, really important to look at that. And yeah, and you can quickly find a course. Talking a little bit more about this bar here on the left hand side, it's super important to filter your location. So we have 3 different campuses, so really important for you to select the ideal campus for you, be it Boston or Valencia, and the term as well, so you're sure that you're going to be registering for the correct semester. You can also select days of the week, there's instructor, ranges, academic level. Very useful to use this tool here in the left hand side. To go back to your course schedule, just follow the thing that we did in the beginning of the video, where you go to academics, student planning, and plan and schedule. Talking about the boxes once again, you're going to notice there are 3 different colors of boxes. The first one is the brown boxes, which means planned. So these are the courses that you're not registered, but you're planned for. The green boxes, they're the ones that you're enrolled. And the red boxes are the ones that are unavailable. The green boxes are good to go. It means you're registered. It means you're signed up for their class. You're enrolled. The brown box is planned, as I said, and the red box means that usually you can't take that course, probably because it is full. So make sure you keep going back to My.Berklee to check if the classes that you have planned are full. If they are, make sure to find another course as soon as possible so you'll have classes to take for next semester. Also, once you're already planned, your time to register arrives. Make sure to refresh your page, and as soon as your time arrives, you're going to notice there's going to be a big red button right here on top of enrolled, waitlisted, and planned, which says register now. Click that button as soon as possible and it will automatically register for all of your classes, like automatically for you instantly, so you don't have to do one by one. That's another pro tip, so keep that in mind. Now that you know all these important information, you're ready to register for classes. Hope this video has helped you.